Hello everyone, I'm Ryan from MCWrap Film. Today I introduce a very special tool. This is the Tricolor Light. This is a special light to present the color sample in different conditions. This is our A5 size sample. With this light, there's 3 different conditions. So we need to keep the light and the film about 50 centimeters. Keep the distance in 50 centimeters. The first, you can see the light. This is the condition at the time of sunrise and sunset. And the next is daytime. And the third one is the car light on the film at night time. So the 3 different conditions is to simulate 3 different times of all the day. You can see the different effect of the color. It's very easy to present the color and show your customer how does the color look in different conditions. This is a matte finish. See, this is the time at sunrise and sunset. And then it's time at noon. It's like on the daytime. And then is the car light on the film. You can see there's a different effect in different conditions. In the morning or in the evening, at noon, and then at night. The time at the sunrise and sunset, at noon, and car light at night. 3 different conditions. This is a matte finish color in the morning, at daytime, at night. This is a very clear way to present the colors under different conditions.